Are you on YouTube? I want to tell you guys an awesome hack to 10x your e-commerce revenue in under 90 seconds. Let's go. The key is in identifying segments that has more than 10x of your site-wide average order value with the help of Google Analytics. This is how you exactly do it. It's way easier than what you guys think. So to get started, all you need to do is find a couple of segments that has at least 10x higher average order value than your site-wide average order value. So this is how you can get started. Step 1, open up a Google Sheet and add the Google Analytics add-on. There is an exact screencast on how to do this in the description. Step 2, add metrics and dimensions. As metrics, you definitely need to add users and also you need to add average order value. If you don't have enhanced e-commerce, you probably will have to add the goal that represents average order value for you. And for dimensions, you can go nuts with it. You can add whatever that you want. But for you to get started on it, you can add count of sessions, session duration, user type, maybe even gender, maybe even age, mobile device marketing name. Go nuts with it. Once you do this, you can then figure out if that dimension or if that bunch of collection of dimensions, if that segment has a higher average order value and how much higher that average order value is. Awesome, you have found it. Well done. What do you exactly do with this now? How do you actually improve the revenue? Okay, I have an insight, so what do I do with it? 1, you can use this segment to retarget offers. You know these guys are valuable to you, these guys have a high average order value. Give them special offers, give them something good for them to come back. 2, use this segment, create an advanced segment in Google Analytics and see the pages that they frequently visit. Use your Facebook pixel to retarget them. Give them something amazing that they can resist. So make sure you have your pixel set up, otherwise you're wasting all of your data. Yeah, that's kind of it. That's about it. So go kick ass.